Graphing using transformations, part 2. Use the graph of y equals f of x to graph the function g of x equals f of x minus 4 minus 4. So again, I have two transformations. Now I have something being applied to the x coordinate, and that's because the minus 4 is within parentheses of the function. So whenever you see something like this, it tells me that my graph is either going to move right or left. Since I have a minus 4 in parentheses, I'm going to do the opposite, which is move right 4. So each point is going to move right 4 units. Now the minus 4 on the outside of parentheses tells me that I'm going to move down 4 units. Now instead of moving the graph after each transformation like we did in the previous problem, we're going to find new ordered pairs by using these transformations, and then we'll just graph the final graph using the ordered pairs. So the first thing I'm going to do is identify the ordered pairs of this graph. So first I have a negative 4, 0. Then I have a negative 2, 3. And also a 0, 0. A 2, negative 3. And finally a 4, 0. Now again, these ordered pairs represent the original ordered pairs of y equals f of x. So I'm going to apply the transformations to this ordered pair. Now my first transformation tells me to go right 4 units. Whenever I'm going right or left, that affects the x coordinate of my ordered pair. So since I'm going right 4 units, I am going to add 4 to each of my y coordinates. Now, my second transformation is I'm going to move down 4 units, and the vertical movement of up and down affects my y value of my ordered pair. So since I'm moving down 4 units, I'm going to subtract 4 from each of my y values. Alright, so in black I have the ordered pairs where I either added 4 to the x value and then I subtracted 4 from the y value. So we're just going to simplify this to get new ordered pairs. So I have negative 4 plus 4, which is 0, and then 0 minus 4 is a negative 4. So my first ordered pair of my new function, which is g of x, is 0, negative 4. And then I'll just simplify the rest of these ordered pairs. So I have 2, negative 1, 4, negative 4, 6, negative 7, and 8, negative 4. Now I'm going to take these ordered pairs, which are the ordered pairs after I applied the transformations, and then just plot them on my graph. And that will be my new graph. Alright, so I'm going to plot this in purple so you can see it a little bit better. So I have 0, negative 4, so that's here, and then 2, negative 1, and then 4, negative 4, 6, negative 7, and 8, negative 4. And it's going to follow the same shape as my original graph. So the purple graph represents my graph of y equals f of x after the transformation of moving right 4 and down 4 units.